Hello children, welcome to your maths class. I hope you are doing fit and fine, staying safe at home. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter. This is your chapter 7, Factors and Multiples. Now, in order to avoid confusion regarding the understanding of this topic, I am going to discuss about factors today. So in this video, we'll be studying about factors. Now I have taken this example here wherein there you can see the arrangement of stars. I have taken 6 stars and I have arranged them in different ways. As you can see here, the 6 stars are there and I have made one row, and in that row we have got 6 stars. Now in the second way of arrangement, you can see that there are 3 rows, as you can see here: row number 1, row number 2 and row number 3. These are the 3 rows, and in each row we are having 2 stars, as here. Now this is a way of arrangement. Now another way is we are having 2 rows and now the 3 stars. So in all we are getting the again 6 stars. So you can see here, this is row number 1 and the row number 2, this is 2, and in each row we are having 1, 2, 3 stars, and in this second row also we are having 3 stars. So total again 2 into 3 is 6. So in all again we have 6 stars. Now you can arrange it vertically like this. So there are 6 rows now and 1 in each row, 1 star in each row. So 6 into 1, again 6 stars. So all this kind of arrangement, as you can see here, we can write, or you can see that 6 can be written as a product of two numbers in many ways, like 6 is equal to 1 into 6. हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write 6 as 2 into 3 like this. We can write 6 as 3 into 2 as it is here, or we can also write 6 multiplied by 1. So we can see that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the exact divisors of 6. This clearly explains the basic concept of factors. So factor is that number, or factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. That is, the factor leaves, if you divide the number by the factor, it leaves remainder 0. So when the remainder is 0 and you are dividing it by this factor, so this particular number is the factor of that given number. Now as you can see here, I have said factor of a number is any amount that divides into that number exactly, leaving no remainder. We have taken this example here. We are saying 2 is a factor of 12. Why? Because 2 goes into 12 how many times? 6 times. So 2 into 6 is 12. That means 2 and 6 are factor of 12. Or you can see that 6 is also a factor of 12. So as you can see in this diagram, if you take that, if you see how many factors are there of 12, so 12 into 1, then 12 into, you can say 2 and 6, here 6 into 2 is again 12. Then if I say 4 and 3, 4 into 3 is again 12, 12 into 1 is again 12. So all these are factors of 12. So we can write or say that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. So we can say it like this also. Factors are numbers that are multiplied. Like 8 into 8 is 64. So what are the factors? 8 and 8. किसके factor हैं? 64 के. All numbers greater than 1 has 1 and itself as a factor. दैट मीन्स किसी भी नंबर का ऑल नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन 1 हैज़ 2 फैक्टर्स तो उनके होंगे ही. 1 होगा एंड इटसेल्फ, और नंबर वो खुद, the number itself will be a factor. So this is an important point which you should always remember, that all numbers greater than 1 have 1 and itself as a factor. मतलब 2 factors तो उसके होंगे. Now let's take an example here. Now what are the factors of 27? ठीक है, ये नंबर हमने लिया. तो as we said in the earlier point that 1 factor होता है, तो 1 into 27 is 27. yes. 2 से 27 नहीं जाता है. 3, yes. so 3 9s are 27, and then we can write that 27 के factors क्या हैं? 1, 3, 9 and 27 itself. The number itself is also its own factor. So 1 and 27 both are the factors along with 3 and 9. Now in here you can see factors of 4 and factors of 18. Now let us see how we have found out. अगर हमें 4 के factors पता लगाने हैं तो 1 into 4, yes. Then 2 में, yes, 2 into 2 is 4. Then 3, no. Then again 4, 4 into 1 is 4. So we stop here as 1 and 4 have occurred earlier. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Now let us see the factors of 18. How we are finding it out? First let's take 1. Yes, 1 into 18 is 18. 2, 2 into 9 is 18. Correct. Then 3 into 6, 18. Then 6 into 3 is also 18. Here 4, no. 4 में 18 doesn't come. 5 में also 18 doesn't come. So last is 6 into 3. So we stop here as 6 and 3 have occurred earlier. So now the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So you can see 18 is also there and 1 is also there. So children, this is the way we can find out the factors of the numbers. Now some important points to remember. First point is that 1 is a factor of every number. As I had said, 1 is a factor of every number. Second point is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. मतलब वो नंबर उससे completely divisible हो जाना चाहिए and there should be no remainder. Then third point is every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Means जो largest factor होगा वो number itself होगा, बाकी सब उससे छोटे होंगे. So every factor is less than or equal to the given number. 27 है नंबर, तो 27 से बिगर फैक्टर नहीं हो सकता. या तो 27 होगा या 27 के लेस होगा कोई नंबर. दैट विल बी द फैक्टर. एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ अ गिवन नंबर आर फाइनाइट. दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स किसी भी नंबर के कैन बी फाइनाइट. मतलब यू हैव अ डेफिनेट अमाउंट ऑफ नंबर्स. You can count those factors. So number of factors of a given number are finite. You know what is finite? Finite is something which we can count. So we can count. There is a limit to the factors. It's not that factors are unlimited. Okay. So factors are limit in number and they are finite. We can count them. We can find them. Now here are some questions for your practice. Find the factors. You have to find the factor of 18, 24, 21 and 52. So you will do this in your exercises for practice. That's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss about multiples. So then I will be explaining to you factors and multiples together. Okay children, thank you.